This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Xbox Series X is updated and on the same network as your device. Once done, enable remote features under Settings, Devices, and Connections so the console accepts stream requests. Make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account on both the console and the Xbox app on your phone or PC. This pairing lets the console stream securely. Enabling power options allows the console to start remotely, which avoids manual wake-up when you begin a session. Next, open the Xbox app and select Remote Play or Connect depending on the platform. Tap or click your console from the device list. The app will negotiate a connection and may prompt for permission on the console. Once connected, choose a streaming quality. Lower bitrate for stable distant Wi-Fi or higher resolution for local networks. Make sure to pair your controller via Bluetooth or USB. This maintains input responsiveness. Also test audio levels and adjust controller vibration in the app for comfort. Begin a game and assess latency by performing quick directional inputs. Small menu actions reveal responsiveness faster than complex moves. If lag appears, switch to a wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and lower streaming quality to reduce bandwidth. Should disconnects or black screens happen, reboot the console and your router, then re-attempt remote play. This fixes most session issues. If problems persist, check NAT type and firewall settings on your network. Open or moderate NAT usually improves connection stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.